Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in PowerPoint in just 1 minute. So tag along and watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start. The first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide, go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a rectangle that covers the entire of the slide. You're going to remove its fill, you're going to remove its outline and you're gonna insert a huge circle right here like this. Adjust its size. First select the rectangle and then the circle and subtract them from the merge options. Remove the outline and give the color as white. Go to pictures and choose a picture, but be sure to use a high resolution image. Send it to the back. Let me just rotate the picture and increase its size because I want those mountains to be visible in this space. Let's just crop it. The unwanted pieces, I'm gonna just crop them. Duplicate the shape and you're gonna send it to the back and go to shape format and increase its transparency rate and close the format background. You're gonna send it to the back, but you're gonna also send the picture to the back so that transparent shape is visible. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is copy all my text and I'm gonna paste it onto this template. You can also select the picture, go to animations and then press lines animation and go to options and you're gonna give it a right animation. Increase the timing to 4 seconds. That was all for today, and if you liked the video, be sure to hit the bell icon.